This app was built using the animate camera method that you saw in the previous video. Note that it has 3 buttons, just like in a previous application that you built, and each of these buttons animates map movement to a different location. So for example, I'm now looking at a map of the United States, but if I tap on Seattle, you see the camera is going to animate as I zoom into Seattle, taking a few seconds to do so. It's a really cool effect. So once I'm in on Seattle, there you can see some of Seattle, including, you can even see here an indoor map of the Pacific Science Center in Seattle. I, for example, then can touch on Tokyo, and you'll see I'll fly up and out into orbit, and then back down over the Pacific until I land on Tokyo, like so. And again, you can see I'm now in downtown Tokyo, and if I so desire, I can also go to Dublin. Now here there's a case of I haven't pre-cached some of these tiles, so you're just seeing blank as it's flying over, and it'll soon land on Dublin. So if I zoom out of Dublin, you can see those tiles are getting cached. So none of these tiles were pre-cached for testing the video, and that's why we couldn't see when we flew from Tokyo to Dublin. But if I just zoom out and effectively cache the tiles, I'm not doing anything myself to cache them. This is just how the application is running. And so the map fragment itself will cache the tiles for you. So here you can see Japan. If I go back somewhere over Ireland, and now I tap on Tokyo, you'll see that the orbit will change, and I'll drop down onto Tokyo. And now if I try to go to Dublin, you'll see I fly out of Japan, up over the surface of the Earth, over Asia, over China, back over Western Europe, before dropping down in onto Dublin. So you now have everything you need to build this application yourself. You have all the tools. Why don't you give it a shot? If you have any trouble, the source code is linked in the speaker notes.